Hello guys, welcome to ETIB. So today we will be working on the basic economic problem, chapter 1 of the Edexcel 921 economics book. So the first question, why should we learn economics? This question I think you may also ask yourself, and the answer would be economics helps us to make decisions on how to use our limited resources and time. By learning economics, we will have a strong analytical and problem-solving skill. It helps us to gain knowledge about business and to succeed in the professional world. Yes, these 3 points are very important, and I think if your question is about 5 marks, this answer would be enough to get the 5 marks. Now moving on to question number 2, what is a basic economic problem? And the answer for this would be the basic economic problem is scarcity. And the bigger answer for this, like a definition, would be resources are limited but our wants are unlimited, which gives rise to the basic economic problem called scarcity. Okay, moving on to question number 3. The question number 3 would be identify 4 factors of production. And the answer would be the 4 factors of production are land, labor, capital, enterprise. This is a very important question for your O-levels or your midterms coming up. So question number 4, we will study who are the agents of economy. So these are the 3 agents of economy: individuals or consumers, producers or suppliers, and the government. So the next question, which would be what are needs, is very important for your O-levels. So the definition is needs are the basic requirements for human survival. It includes food, shelter, healthcare, and education. And these 5 points you have to write. If you don't include examples in your economic answer, you won't get enough marks which you are capable to get. So the next question, which would be what are wants? Wants are for people's desire for more and more goods and services, which includes a better house, a better car, improved healthcare, better education, and a clean environment. So these 5 points you must write. If you don't write these points, you might get less marks. So the next question, which would be what is a choice? Choice is the deciding between two alternative uses of scarce resources. If I have to give you an example, a person with limited money has to make a choice between a smartphone or a tablet. So that would be the definition and example of choice. And again, you must write examples in your answers to get better marks. So the next question is what is opportunity cost? If I have to give you an example before giving you the definition, so with limited money, if I have to make a choice between smartphone and tablet, I choose the smartphone, so the tablet would be the opportunity cost. And the definition would be opportunity cost is the next best alternative foregone any choice. So this would be your answer, and you must include an example with this. The example I gave you further, that would be an example. You can write that or you can make your own example. So that would be it for today, guys. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye, and do remember everything is business.